opportunity, trend, timing. There's a big boom that's happening right now. You're in it, but you may or may not be aware of it. Now you see it every day. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the influencer boom. Everyone wants to be an influencer nowadays, right? They have their Instagram, they have Facebook, they have YouTube. There's so many platforms out there. Everyone wants to have a following. Everyone wants to be more influential. They want to have a fan base. Now, research shows that the influencer boom, that is a $10 billion industry. So companies and corporations, they now realize the power of influencer marketing. Now, what is influencer marketing? It means that back in the days, companies, corporations, brands, they would advertise mass marketing, right? They'll run billboards ads and TV ads and all of that. But now they are shifting a lot of that marketing budget, a percentage of their marketing budget, to influencers. It could be very niche influencers that maybe it's not mass market, but instead of just, hey, blasting everywhere and saying, hey, I've got this product, why not spend $1, give it to the people who already have influence over a certain market segment? Someone who has followers, and pay them and say, hey, can you talk about my product? Can you wear my product? Right? Can you try my product? Can you showcase my product to your followers? And companies find that, hey, you know what? There's a much better way to do it because it's much more targeted. Take a skincare brand. Instead of advertising to the world, why not partner up and collaborate and hire video bloggers, beauty bloggers, right? Blog writers, Instagrammers. Why not give them that marketing budget and have them talk about products? Wouldn't that be way more effective? Now, you may be aware of this influencer boom already, and that's good. And a lot of people, they want to make money by becoming an influencer. That's one way to do it, but that's a slow way to do it because it takes time. You need to create a lot of content. I know that because I'm an influencer. You need to create content, you need to build a fan base, you need to be on platforms. You need to always be creating all the time. You have to be right on the ball. Not easy, and it takes a long time to make money. If you want to make money faster, there's another trend, another boom, another influencer boom. I'm talking about the coaching, consulting, courses, online education, training, business. Now, that is not a $10 billion industry, that is a $100 billion industry as a whole, worldwide. Some say 120 billion. What am I talking about? Anyone that's offering their time, expertise, and skills to the marketplace in exchange of money. Now, you could become an influencer yourself, and that's perfectly fine. That's a slower way. A much faster way to make money and leverage this influencer boom here is to serve influencers. Guess what? Anyone that's in this space, what do they need? Anyone that's doing any kind of marketing and selling, they will need closers. They will need copywriters. They will need someone to help them with digital marketing. They will need someone to help them with funnels. They will need someone to help them with traffic. They're going to need someone to help them with graphic designs, and on and on and on and on. Because in order for them to serve so many people, they are going to need help. And if you have a skill set that could help, that could support this massive, huge market here, this influencer boom, that's how you shortcut it. When you are doing that, you can then, while you're building your influencer business on your own, taking advantage of it, the slow path, becoming an influencer on your own, perfectly fine. But you can make money doing this first, and also honing your chops, honing your skills, right? Perfecting what you do, and learn a lot from that as well. And that's what I'm talking about. And to me, I strongly believe that is the best way to leverage the influencer boom and also make money much, much quicker. Now, this path takes years, sometimes 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, because you need to accumulate a pretty huge following in order to be valuable enough, to be influential enough for companies and brands to pay you a decent amount of money. On the other hand, to support, to serve influencers, to help them grow their businesses. It only takes a few months, in some cases, only a few weeks. Sounds too good to be true? I can assure you it is true.
Hello HTC family, it's been a while. My name is Andre Frank, and yeah, today I have some amazing news. I've achieved my goal that I've had since September. I graduated last year from season 6 in September, and my goal since then has been to be a 5-figure earner. And this month I cracked it. Well, last month I cracked it, but it took the influencers some time to figure out which, who paid, who didn't pay, and that usually takes a couple of weeks. So now I have the numbers right here in front of me, and I've made 15,111.22 cents in the month of July. I'm celebrating this with HTC family. Here's to you, here's to Seafood Unlock, here's to 5-figure earner, here's to HTC, and here's to a great future as a high-ticket closer for all of us. Thank you so much. This is Andre Frank, the Golden Closer. See you soon at CRB. Cheers.
Boom, baby! Got my first sale with an influencer. It's amazing. I'm on cloud 9. I just asked questions. I listened with intent. I matched her gem. It was just flawless. So I just wanted to share it with you, IC fam. I got my first boom, and I'll keep you updated on my progress.
I've created a 4-part training series showing you exactly what you need to do to take advantage of and leverage this influencer boom. I'm going to put a link here or somewhere here. Click on it and see for yourself.